First question, beginning with Mr. Finley. What do you see as county attorney's top responsibilities in fiscal court, and how do you plan to best implement them?
My responsibility for fiscal court is to help them effectively and efficiently govern and perform their duties. I'm there to give legal advice when asked, to advise appropriate terminology for ordinances, resolutions, what they may be needed to have brought before fiscal court. I'm a citizen of Oldham County as well. I have spoken before fiscal court as to certain issues that I felt have been overreaching by the fiscal court as far as their responsibility to citizens. I'm not ready to speak out concerning such issues as banning smoking in private facilities, public facilities. I spoke out against the airport as a concerned citizen. That's my job as a citizen, to come forth to give my opinion as a citizen. But as a county attorney, I'm there to research the law, to give advice, to answer questions, and to try to give proper guidance under the law to the fiscal court of Oldham County.
Mr. Clark, same question. What do you see as the county attorney's top responsibilities in fiscal court, and how do you plan to best implement them?
The county attorney's first and foremost job, as with any attorney, is to provide accurate legal advice to his client. Secondly, is to recognize when you have a conflict of interest between your client and outside people and take appropriate action. What I mean by that is, when you're representing the county, you can't be walking down from your chair at fiscal court meeting to become a private citizen. Sure, you have your views as a private citizen, but the county attorney's job is to be professional and represent his client during the times he's on the block to be representing his client. Now, the county attorney has to provide the advice to fiscal court. How they choose to receive it is really matter like in all clients. But the county attorney's job is to look at potential legal pitfalls, recognize them before they happen, recognize them as they're developing, and warn the magistrates and the executive on what's coming up and why certain actions may not be appropriate. Right now, this county is facing lawsuits. One lawsuit in particular aims the current county attorney in legal complaint because of bad advice given on a recall petition regarding the school tax. That case is going on over in Frankfurt right now. And it could cost the county millions of dollars. You have to give the correct legal advice at the beginning. If the right legal advice that you give in this case, we may have had a recall vote, but it's better to have a recall vote on part of the school tax rather than face currently paying back millions of dollars after the fact. So good, sound legal advice is the top priority in fiscal court, not government.
Mr. Finley, 30 seconds for rebuttal.
I think my client needs to get his facts straight as to certain issues as far as the school tax, as with the school, as to do with fiscal court, a decision to invalidate or to indicate that the validation of signatures was not twice given to this court, was given to the county clerk's office who acted appropriately on that advice and validated those signatures that has nothing to do with this court whatsoever.
Mr. Clark, 30 seconds for you.
To respond to Mr. Federer, the county clerk, anyone, any part of county government is your client, not just fiscal court. And when you give legal advice to an outside party such as Patriot Group on how to perform a legal function, you have a conflict of interest because it's going against your client. Then you come back and tell the person that you may be tasked to form an attorney-client relationship with to invalidate the actions they took on their advice.